Hi, welcome to T's Journey. My name's Tony. This is my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification. We're about to go ATV riding. Neighbor called about a possible someone's on the property, so we're going to check out the property. So stay tuned.
You holding on or not?
Yeah, I'm holding on. Enjoying. This is a beautiful day to be out riding. Just enjoying it. This is the neighbor's yard. This is Rick's property. Starts right there. That's Rick at his property line, checking it out to see what's going on that the neighbor called us about. Someone building, some put signs up, and we checking it out. And he said she said that they was putting it up on the farm, Rick's property and her property. So Rick came to check it out. So they over there walking along the property line. I don't know if you can see them between the trees. The puppy dog's over there. Not ours, but her puppy dog. I'm sitting here just waiting, enjoying the ride. I came along for the ride. I came along for the ride. Coming up there from checking the property line. He's still checking it. With the neighbor. Rick assessing what he has to cut down to the trees on his property.
Yeah, well, I cleaned it that time, the last time I came over.
Rick is such a good neighbor. He really is.
I said, well, I'll give you a call if I find anything out there.
He's such a good neighbor.
And I'll see you in a week or two. I'll build that step for you in a week or two.
going down to the wilder pastures, huh? Now you haven't rained in a while. Look how the water's down. See how the water's down, babes? Water is down. Usually it fills all the way up to the top. You know I gotta watch this where we saw the snake over there. These are apple trees.
1, 2, 3, 4, and that's one there. 5.
Wait a minute. How many trees is it?
5.
5. 1, 2.
There's 3 in a row right down there. 1, 2, 3. Let me
Okay.
pull forward a little. And that one kind of bent over. That's one that got messed up in the storm a little bit. You see them? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I seen that. 1,
4,
2,
5.
3, 4, 5 apple trees. What kind of apple trees are they? You remember?
They're different kinds. That one great big one there is that one specialty of that rare apple that guy.
Is it one of these apple tree in front?
That's a silver maple. That's an autumn maple. These two here are crab apples
Crab apples. That one and the one in the further distance.
with the stake on it down there.
And what is this tree right here?
That's a Russian mulberry.
A what?
A Russian mulberry.
And it's growing. It's
Mulberry
but
over
over
there.
the one that you don't have to stake.
That's another one right there.
Yeah, it looks like that's what's growing up in the middle of that. Oh, that's the tree. Hey, puppy dogs. Hey. That lilac.
Another mulberry out here in the field.
You got a mulberry out here?
Up there pretty deer and shit like that.
No, I didn't know you planted one right here.
Yeah. Same time we planted them other ones.
Video of it.
Done?
No. Oh, that's growing. I didn't know there was one out here.
That's a chicken.
What's a chicken?
They make little nuts on them and stuff.
Right there.
But I never get any of the deer out there every night. They beat me to them.
Oh, you eat those nuts?
Okay, if you can get them before the deer. I gotta tear all this up, put some more tarp, that 20-year tarp down there. Some asparagus is gonna go, the rest of the asparagus is gonna go there when that's done next year. So I'm gonna tarp that whole undergarden and keep them big.
This is a greenhouse. That's a greenhouse.
Start there and go down. Not replanting asparagus. That's my puppy.
This is T's Journey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell notification to the next video.